you guys. So we are breaking down American Airlines, or ticker symbol AAL. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval, and this allows us to find the overall direction and trend that our stock is in. Helps us find our support and resistance lines, our entries, our exits, and all that other good stuff. So let's go ahead and dive in. So we're kind of fluctuating between 0.25 and 20%, you guys, so nothing really crazy. Let's have a look at the volume. We're at 13.65 million, so we're definitely way above the 150,000 threshold that we like to see. Now let's get into our support and resistance lines, and then we'll break down into the individual candlesticks on where we're at. Okay, let me zoom out. So this one's pretty easy to read. So you can see up here, this is our highest level tested of resistance. You can see back here that multiple times we came in this area and got rejected. Came back one more time. It's not really touching, but it's in the same vicinity. And then over here we have this third one. Okay, so usually you want to test these areas about 3 or more times. You can see that we got rejected ultimately right here. Pushed us all the way down to our lowest level of support that's been tested. We look left like Beyonce says. You can see that we've been bouncing around in this area. Ultimately, we got like 2 or 3 times until it pushed us up all the way back into this resistance area. We look forward. We also bounce in this area multiple times, and then also over here. Okay, so now let's get into where we're at. So you can see that we are in this clear downward trend. I can even show my 2-year-old daughter this, and she could tell me this is going down. All right, so you can see the trend line. We are way below, at least underneath the trend line on the RSI. It kind of looks like we are oversold. So this could be a good buying opportunity. I wouldn't say just yet, just because if you look where we're at, you guys. So this is on the opposite side of this line is a support. This is an area we tend to bounce from. But once we go underneath, it works basically as a roof. It's going to work as basically like a wall. Okay, and so you can see that we are underneath that currently. So what we want to see is for buyers to step up, right? Break through this, come up, come back down, and retest this as a support, and then from at that point it'll show that buyers are stepping up. We will create that higher low that we want to see resting on support, and hopefully if we have good volume that day, that could be a great buying opportunity. But as of right now, with us being underneath this resistance, you guys, we have to be patient and wait for the best opportunity to get in. Okay, and like I said, we don't ever want to just jump into something just because we see a green candlestick, you guys. That doesn't really give us anything, okay? We have to apply technical analysis, and then we do apply fundamentals sometimes, but we only apply fundamentals when we have an earnings report, and that is really the only time you should, but a lot of people don't. All right, so if this video helped in any type of way, please hit that like and subscribe button. I try to post Monday through Friday or every other day. So other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.